What's poppin', chicken nuggets? Welcome back to my channel. I've been going for like a little minute, just posting random stuff and whatever. But today I'm here to bring y'all a video that y'all see from the title, straight to curly. This isn't really straight anymore, honestly. So that's why I'm about to go back into this little transfer so that I can pop mama off because she's been on for a little minute. I like you, don't give up about your boyfriend. Beat it up with no pants. I know y'all know that TikTok. Like, TikTok is so brainwashing, like literally. So, what's pop? So before we even start this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment something that y'all would like to see next, or about how y'all like this little boom, or whatever y'all like. I'm confused. Did you subscribe yet? Cause I mean, I don't see you subscribing. I mean, what? The isolation of the shoulder. Wait. Anyway, let's just get right into the video. So normally during this transition, I do part this in fours. After, you know, I don't even know if I want to even. Yes, I do. Okay. Because Miss Wig needs to come off. So when I did straighten this hair, it took me 6 hours. So let me tell you. I washed it, dried it with the blow dryer by sections. Then I tried to flat iron it, and it took me so long because I was trying to get it bone straight and like, it didn't work. This is what I got. And she don't even look that bad, honestly. I had to pluck some more. So normally I do this in the sink and it's normally a quick process, but I'm gonna just show y'all. I'm trying to give her Willy Wonka special. Okay. So this is the conditioner that I use. Do not look at my fingers. And I place it on my 4 sections and blah, blah, blah. And it's really good. It's hydrating. It has an oil in it. And it's an oil in it. And, you know, you know. Start from the back. So I'm not even going to be tripping. Sadly, I don't have any clips. So I'm just like, and I'm going to just tie the rest up. So now I'm going to put this in 2 sections. Wow, these are really little. Okay, I'm gonna just brush through it. Probably should start from the bottom, but hey. Also, I did get this wig from Amazon. I will leave the details down in the description box because quite frankly, shorty is she hold up pretty nice and she feel good. But baby, she been through hell and back, okay. We're gonna take some conditioner, rub it in there. We're gonna just do this, put it all over, then fling it to the back, okay? Fling it to the back. Then we're gonna do it with the next one, with whatever else is left in our hands. The ends, baby, the ends, okay? The ends is what needs to be done because they're gonna be burnt and damaged. Somebody sign me now. Boom. Now that that's done, throw it to the back. We're gonna take the rest down. Don't let me get no jacket that look like this, please. Baby, please don't do it. Classy, bougie, ratchet. I got my bowl of water right here. That's what you'll really need to activate the curls. So we're gonna I dipped it in the water, rolled it up. I'm scrunching the water out into the other hairs. So now that is done, do y'all see? We're going to brush it from the ends to detangle it. I don't know where my big comb went, so at the root you can just brush it once you get close enough. Of course you're gonna need some more. Then you can scrunch. And do the same on the other side. These ends not looking hydrated. You gotta make sure your hair is hydrated. This is at least how I revert back to curls on my wigs. Well, I had a fight with that one. Yeah. Okay, well, this is the after look, or how you should look after. So now, my favorite part. I'm gonna take some of the mousse. Okay, wrapping foam, probably why it's sticky. And then I'm just going to put it in the front. Like such. And I have like a, yeah, ignore this. This was when I was flat ironing. I used this side to like do a blowout or something. Then you're just going to brush the front. And then push it back, push it back. Whoa. Do it for the side too. Well, I'm not going to do my headband. I only do it at night when I'm sleeping. But this is the finishing look. So that was it for the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to add all my social medias will be located at the bottom of this video. And I'll see y'all in the next one.